gang, nigga, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So my nigga, do me a favor and show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack. It's Guap gang, bitch, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So shorty, do me a favor and just show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack.
I don't give a fuck who you are, my nigga, or what you done seen. Everything that come out your mouth, nigga, you don't mean. Play Russian roulette with your life. If you cross me, my niggas is my niggas for sure. We doing boss things, even tearing down the stages all the way in Boston. Nobody got a swagger like you ain't, nigga, we flossing. Wolves out in ocean, mobs with them often. Going hard for my niggas that's boxed up in a coffin. Been running circle around these niggas, I'm getting exhausted. Winning every challenge, nigga, I'm taking no losses. Always keep pushing, never ever forfeit. Won't stop spitting till my face is on a portrait. And yeah, I know I got these niggas nauseous. And please believe I'm the nigga that caused it. Just call me Mr. Scorching, cause every track I get on, I'ma torch it.
It's Guap gang, nigga, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So my nigga, do me a favor and show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack.
This the last time.
It's Guap gang, bitch, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So shorty, do me a favor and just show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack.
Spliffy on some local shit, they never catch me red in it. Spliffy chase a nigga and I'm aiming at your head and shit. 8 to 9 shots, not no hospital bed and shit. Guarantee you dead and shit. Flowers, not no wedding shit. He on the floor coughing sick. He talking shit, not no walking shit. You end up in that coffin sick. Fuck if niggas miss you, you softer than tissue. Don't talk with my lips, I talk with my pistol. 17 rounds, get that ass the whole clip full. Spliffy be wildin', kinda like them niggas from the island. But me, I'm from Lucia, I won't hesitate to shoot ya. From a little nigga, gun longer than my ruler. Run up on Spliffy, I stay with the blicky. I'm high off grippy, but don't get it twisted. 4-5 blast, make a nigga feel lifted. Bullets kill everybody, fuck if you gifted.
It's Guap gang, nigga, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So my nigga, do me a favor and show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack. It's Guap gang, bitch, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So shorty, do me a favor and just show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack.
Let's get it poppin', Guap gang in the building. Our music making the killing. I finally got the feeling that we gon' reach 1 billion. All for just music, so you haters gon' see me in a Bentley, not a Buick. I told you that we gon' do it, but you ain't wanna listen. Now you gotta hear about the different towns that we skipping. I knew it from the beginning that you would be losing while we winning, but that don't matter. I'm fucking different women, got bitches in every borough and every fucking hood. Not $1 off music, but I'm looking very good. You would think I got a deal, but I ain't got shit but a bottle and some weed, some models that's topless, some hollows that pop quick. So don't you make a move, my trigger finger is itching and I got nothing to lose. So y'all niggas listen here, this is a different year. My niggas got different guns that'll make you disappear, nigga.
It's Guap gang, nigga, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So my nigga, do me a favor and show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack. It's Guap gang, bitch, team Guapanese. You can't even rep this if you ain't got proper cheese. So shorty, do me a favor and just show me a stack. If you can't, my little niggas will throw you a pack.
Throw it all in the bag, why you niggas mad? Moving like fags, you think you real tough, so I beat you real bad. Catch you slipping while you stepping out your pad. Hit him up, throw him in an all black bag. In his life, fuck his wife. Throw the scales and pump his ice. I'm that boom to go bump in the night. Fake ass niggas I smack on sight. I leave my flag on the left with the right. I beat a nigga down if he say you wanna fight. And it's other ones cause I did it for spite. Niggas got mad and said, sure you ain't right. But who the fuck is when you got kids? And you're facing a 10-year bid. And you found out your is a slid. And you're watching next man kid. And it fucked up, I know it is. Me and my niggas just ran a trizz. She went low and handled a biz. She said she does it for the kids, but shorty's an info, she let me and my niggas hit it and quit. I do a bitch dirty like I'm Vic. I keep smashing till you quit or until you forfeit. Cause you got hit with the 4 and you laying dead stiff. I'm a beast off the chain, motherfucker, I'm a pit. But I bite with my gun. When I lock, that's sick. Click, click.
Y'all already know.
We fucking here, man. We in the fucking building. You already know, man. Guap gang, we keep fucking doing it. We got everybody in the fucking booth. My nigga Filthy building. Yeah, bro, I see you.
Filter coming out soon. Y'all already know.
Bang, 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 bang.
Gang Guap all day. We here, man. Filthy, man. Remember the name. We here.
You know the fuck it is, man. You thought I wasn't gonna come on? Fuck out of here, man. It's Euro Guap Gang.